If your fireplace is letting cold air sneak in and making your place feel like an icebox, a worn-out damper gasket might be the sneaky culprit. So, here's the scoop on fixing that draft problem without calling in a pro right away. First off, check if your damper gasket looks all cracked, squished, or missing pieces. That's a dead giveaway, it needs swapping out. You can find replacement gaskets online or at your local hardware store. Just make sure to get the right size for your damper. Before you start, clean the damper area real good so the new gasket sticks properly. Dust and soot are no friends here. Peel off the old gasket gently. Try not to mess up the metal underneath. When you slap on the new gasket, press it firmly so it seals tight and blocks those drafts. If you're feeling fancy, add a bit of high-temp adhesive to keep it in place longer. Once it's all set, test by closing the damper and feeling for any air leaks around it. Keeping that gasket fresh means your heating bills won't skyrocket, and your room stays cozy when you want it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace damper gaskets is ignoring small cracks until they become major leaks, which just wastes energy and money. Fix it early by checking your gasket every season and replacing it if you spot damage. Another common issue is buying the wrong size gasket, which won't seal properly and lets drafts through anyway. Measure carefully and double-check product specs before ordering. Lastly, some folks skip cleaning the damper before installing the new gasket. This causes poor adhesion and the gasket peels off fast. So, give that damper a good scrub before putting on your new gasket to make sure it sticks like it should. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot that helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors for jobs like fireplace repairs and gasket replacements. It also hooks up contractors with clients looking for quality work, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.